How to create availability schedule in Calendly. So first go to Calendly, and then you can just click on availability here at the left side. Now here, you just need to click on this one drop down here, and then you can just click on create schedule. Now here, let's just name this availability schedule. Okay. Next is just click on create. Now here, you can just start creating your schedule for when the time and let's say days you're available. So let's say I'm going to say I'm available during 8 a.m. here, during on Mondays until 12 p.m. something like that. As you can see, you can start editing, customizing your availability schedule here, or you can just start adding other hours here as well and other days, or you can just use a calendar here to select which days are available as well. Apply. So you can see these are date specific hours. Okay, so you can also edit the time here for what let's say what kind of time here. Let's say you're not in that specific country, you can just select another specific country where you're available at, or where you're at during your stay, something like that. You can also add or you can just select which days you're unavailable as well. So let's say I'm going to close this, and as you can see now it changed to unavailable. So meaning I'm unavailable during Sundays, Mondays, and Saturdays. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.